Good morning students. Today we will going to study another brand new chapter, that is my elder brother from your Marigold book. And today we will learn only the first scene, and in the next video we will learn the second scene. Okay, it is a very kind of a big story, and so it is written by Premchand, and see what he is saying here. This is a story by Premchand titled Bade Bhai Saheb. The story shows the experience is as important as hard work. So Premchand titled it as Bade Bhai Saheb, and it is the English translation of it, my elder brother, and it shows that what happens when you gather experience. The experience that we gather through our playing, through everything, is as important as hard work. As we work hard to gain knowledge, similarly when we experience something from playing or another thing, it is as important as hard working. Okay, so let's see what is happening. Scene 1. A hostel room, two brothers aged 9 and 14 years sitting at a study table. The elder brother is Bhaiya, is reading a book, and the younger one's Munna is drawing pictures of birds and animals. So what is he doing? The elder brother is 14 years old and the younger brother is 9 years old. The elder brother is Bhaiya and the younger brother is Munna. They both are in a hostel room. They are in a study table. Whether the elder brother is reading a book and the younger brother is drawing pictures of birds and animals. Okay, so let's see what is happening. Bhaiya, the elder brother. What are you doing, Munna? Munna is the younger brother. He is asking Munna, what are you doing? Munna, I am drawing. Bhaiya, when will you study? Where were you in the morning? Munna, turning pale. I was playing, Bhaiya. How can you sit with a book for hours together? So what? The elder brother is saying that, what are you doing, Munna? And Munna is saying, I am drawing pictures. So his brother is very angry that, where are you in the morning? You were not at home. Now you are drawing pictures. So as the elder brother is scolding him, the younger brother is very scared. That he's very lowly he said that, I was playing in the morning. How can you sit hours together with only just one and only book? Okay, so it is very frustrating for the younger brother Munna that he cannot study so long just like his elder brother. Okay, Bhaiya, that's because I want my foundation in education to be strong. If the base is strong, then the building will stand firmly. Sometimes it takes me 2 years to do 1 year's work. So what the elder brother is saying? That elder brother is saying that I am doing my study for long time because I want to make my base very strong. Okay, as you are now studying in class 5. If you don't get proper education and don't practice the things that are taught in school, are taught in your private tuitions, then you are not good at your base. Your base work should be very firm, very good. Okay, this is your base study. If now in the next year you will go to high school, then you cannot compete with the other boys and girls who have firm base in English or firm base in other subjects, right? So you have to study hard now to get benefit in the next year, just like this Bhaiya. Okay, so Bhaiya is studying hard to make his base strong, and it is sometimes take 2 years to finish 1 year's work for Bhaiya. Bhaiya is 14 years old and now he is going to do his board exams, right? So we have to study harder to get strong and firm base. Munna, Bhaiya, you are 5 years older than I am and 3 classes ahead of me. I wonder why you keep writing the same word 20 times, one sentence more than 20 times, and copy poems several times in beautiful letters. So Munna is very little boy, he is 9 years old only. So he is saying that, Bhaiya, why do you write each and everything so many times? Why do you write everything in colorful words? Why you read each poem 20 times, more than 20 times? Why do you do that? Bhaiya, you know, studying English is no child's play. One has to work very hard in order to learn the subject. To speak or write English properly, tremendous effort is required. But the moment you get a chance, you run to the field, play marbles and fly paper kites, or sit idling away with friends for fun. Can't you sit down and study? So what the bhaiya is saying, that English is such a language, it is true, okay, English is such a language that it takes many years to be good at English, okay. Speaking and writing and talking in English is not a child's play, okay, not a very easy thing. But if you practice regularly, or if you do your homeworks, you do your revise your chapters more and more times, revise your poems, revise the grammars and practice the grammars more and more times, you will be very good at English. And then when you get a chance to study, why do you play and why do you fly all the time, kites flying, you are sitting idly doing nothing, okay. So you have to utilize your time properly. That the elder brother is saying. Munna, oh bhaiya, there is big mela in the village today, should we go? So Munna is very little and he cannot understand what bhaiya is saying. Now he is saying there is a big mela in the village, so there is a fair in the village, and he asked his bhaiya, should we go? Bhaiya, have you ever seen me going to a fair or going to watch a cricket or hockey match? I don't go near them. I prefer to study a book. I don't mind repeating a class for more than 2 years, but you might stay in the same class all your life. Do you expect to pass if you waste your time playing all the time? You are simply wasting father's hard-earned money. So now the bhaiya is very rigid and very strongly said that he never went to a cricket match, he never went to a football match. It's so boring, okay. He all the time he studies and studies, okay. He don't go to any fair, any mela, and he always studies with the book. So he says that I cleared one class by reading 2 years. Now what are you doing? You are just wasting father's money, okay. You are doing nothing, he is telling Munna starts crying on being scolded, and soft sounds wah wah bah bah hoo hoo are heard, okay. So the brother, the bhaiya, bada bhaiya is has scolded him, so he's crying and crying, he's sobbing and he's very much low, okay. Munna, bhaiya, I feel like running away and going back home. Bhaiya, now stop crying, put on a nice smile, look, I will make a timetable for you to follow, get up at dawn. So now what the elder brother is saying, stop crying now, I am making a timetable for you, you must follow it from the next day, okay. And Munna is saying, I want to go to home, I don't feel like study and don't feel like being here with you, okay. I want to go to home, I want to go to my mother and father, okay. Now there is a, you can see at the page number 66, there is a timetable proper and you have to read it properly, okay. And there is all the timetable just about studying, okay. 6 a.m. you wash your hands, have your breakfast, English, maths, history, then to school, grammar, English composition, everything. And he's full of study. He has made a timetable full of study which Munna does not like. Munna, but when is the time to play? Bhaiya, play? What is need, Munna? So bhaiya don't know, never played, okay. So he don't know the importance of play. So he says, Munna, there is nothing to play, there is no time to play. What is playing? No, you should not play, you study. Munna, oh, I love the green fields, the gentle breeze. I want to jump up like a football. I like to touch and go, and hoo-too-too-too sounds of the kabaddi. And the hurry and flurry of volleyball pulls me like a magnet. As soon as I am on the field, I forget everything. So Munna likes to play very much, okay. So he's very shocked that when is the play time, and his bhaiya says no, there is no play time. Then Munna expresses he loves the green fields, he loves to play volleyball, he loves to play hockey, he loves the hadudu, the kabaddi game, okay. So he needs to play, he enjoys the play. When he plays, he forgets everything, okay. There is a hobby of one or the other hobby of ours, okay. I like to watch TV, he likes to play, he likes to read book. So the hobby of Munna is playing. He plays and he forgets everything, okay. So now in Munna is saying that I have to play, I have to get the I must get the time to play, okay. In this video we stop here. In the same to what is happening we will learn in the next video, okay. Do read this chapter very carefully. It is a very long chapter, and I am asking you to make your own timetable, okay, and let me know what did you do, okay. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.